life.
I don't think so.
Checking in, this is that channel that episode for currently trending live. You don't know, so Brooke Valentine in the building.
As always.
Code, you know it go already. So right now, we just gonna talk about the topic that we are training right now. The artist topic them from the Vybz Kartel to all of the extra stuff them in a dance. Zayn, Brooke, first topic.
So them finally show Shorty man. Did you see him?
Me ain't a look.
Me ain't look
Finding
me
Nemo.
ain't business. Me ain't really business. Once me see topic, me just never look. Me not care. Me no business. Why not care about the woman man so bad?
What's your thoughts?
I mean, if she have some, she should have a man. What? Man, that man done moved on with his, what is she, Canadian or whatever, England lady? Have a man.
Make sense?
Have 50 man if you want to have 50 man.
But it makes sense.
It makes sense that she has a man, yeah.
No.
Why?
It's a youth to look like him love her back and...
Yeah.
So, the message to Tanisha, the album was true.
Mm-hmm.
It was facts.
Okay.
So, you know what I find interesting in all of this?
What?
Nah, bash black woman still, but the man go find a white woman.
Yeah,
it's like if white woman them, I don't know, they loyal or something, I don't know.
Well, I hope she can handle what comes with Vybz Kartel. That's all me have to say.
Seem like she do a good job already.
Really? Because she want people to say hi and bye to her whenever them say Kartel. Girl, me don't know you. Me not have to say hi to you. I don't have to. It's out of respect that people do, but we don't have to. You know what I mean?
But even short, you know, my question is this. So why no if your person be exposed?
Are people them finding on really she? I mean, even if a she put it out there, right? She can.
Yeah,
why
but
not?
why no? Why we never see that go on and before him come out, it look like they already move on. You get what I'm saying? So nobody cares, you know, it's not like, oh, when Carter come out, we see who you talk to. This has always been out there. People maybe never like it, never approve of it. So what? She already move on with her life.
Exactly.
Why no?
Well, she want to know so she have a man. But I post him too. I post see them and I post my man. No, sir.
But you know, say them not have the hype.
No, they don't. No.
None at all.
Them have maybe a little bit of hype, but not as
There's
much
a lot,
hype.
but the
as
hype
Kartel
what them
and
have, it kind of water down. Some water down still hype. Like everybody they have it in their head, you know, them head say, yo, she probably cheat on him. Or something happened with another man. So the expose come like a confirmation.
Huh?
Like we did know.
Yeah.
It's nothing surprising. Nothing. Lisa, they already talk about it and say, yo, mama, I do things.
Oh boy.
But, like, me agree with you. She free to live her life and do what she want to do. You see me? And one thing me know though, Shorty still a listen to her Kartel them. She still a play them. She still a bounce to them. In a club, in a home, and she still a have fun to Vybz Kartel.
Exactly.
So big up Shorty for just supporting Vybz Kartel.
Big up
music.
yourself, mama.
And just live your life. You know what I mean?
Live your life. Have
Maybe
fun.
turn an artist like what
Yeah.
they call a woman there? Queenie. Queenie
So,
get
yeah,
lame.
Queenie been lame.
Yo.
Jamaica just love mad people.
You know, here's a Queenie that talk about she want like Kartel.
So she want what?
Lick out him. Queenie, I want to look a freak, you know.
She try mind Kartel and shut her box. We not run them joke up on the Gaza.
None of that. Fan Gaza march up on the back of feel a funeral. Yeah.
Queenie bright and
Gaza,
ratted.
me say. Do the man a gangster? Big up Vybz Kartel. You know it already. It look like Dewey left her. But anyways, moving on.
How many times am I left her? Like
Dewey left her.
and she go ball up on the internet and tell about it. We no business more.
We don't care.
Jesus.
But Shawty, we share all the best. Do your thing. Let's see how that work out.
Yeah.
I look like Vybz Kartel son and love him. The youth them they round them father, you know. Me know they love them mother, you know, but there's a different love for them father.
Of course.
So, you know what I mean, big up Liquor Vibes. And Vybz Kartel last son to see me. Big up all of them. You see me? What's next?
Kartel vocals for December. You feel like him already for December?
Vocals.
Yeah.
Now, based off of the song we drop, which is called The Comet is Coming. A lot of people, there's a lot of mixed feelings about the song. I think the song is not a bad song. I think the song is alright. Meaning, when I say alright, me catch a vibes off it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, like,
What vibes you catch?
you what I like with the song.
All right. Yeah.
The song is a revelation.
Okay.
Here why I say it's a revelation. The lyrics. Don't just focus on the audio and the vocals. But you can.
Mm-hmm.
All I you them whenever want to see me forward out. Bad word. Like him I say, you know a PUSSY.
Okay.
You never want me come a road. No, me there a road, you know, career get short.
All right.
Why me say it's a revelation? When the man come out, you this music a drop?
When the man come out, was music dropping?
Yeah.
1 and 2.
Alright, so that go for sure say it did have an impact on the industry.
Mm-hmm.
So him man attack facts. Then on top of that, him and me couldn't know say all who never want to see me forward a road. Bad word again.
Okay.
So him and me couldn't know say you don't have to like my song. Me still have an impact on the career. Fact, true or false?
I know lie. But
Just by being Vybz Kartel, you're not even for like my song. You're not even for rate my song. And all who no rate my song cool, guess what? Me still have an impact on the whole of dancehall.
Okay.
Me slow down dancehall, me put dancehall in a chokehold.
Mm-hmm.
Me never tell you so the comment is coming.
Okay.
Revelation. So the song is not just about Vybz Kartel being the most lyrical or putting out a hit song. Sometimes a song is just a statement.
Okay.
Just to make people know, say, yeah, here we go on. This not to be the hottest song, but you have to listen it. Because guess what? You want to critique it. You want to say the lamest song. You want to say it no good. But guess what? You listen. You hear.
All right.
And guess what? The message what me are saying, you get it.
Me just want to say no matter how you explain it, me not like a song. Me not think. Me not feel
No,
like
no,
a
no,
song
no,
so good.
no.
Me never listen to your whole song. Me ear part of the song and shut it off immediately. Because me say
Listen.
no, sir, I can't tell
I thought I told you that the comment is coming.
No, sir.
Yo, big up Vybz Kartel music. The
So-
song is not the best or the worst song. The song is a statement, a revelation. The Vybz Kartel being in jail for so many years. And him drop a song and the song was received.
Tomato.
The song was received.
Yeah, man. You receive, yeah, man.
Big up Vybz Kartel music again. Again, watch your style, you know. We now say you not have other song out there because obviously like song like Big Breeze we make a statement and I run the summer.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, bad song. But the song is received. That's all me say. Gaza Nation I run with the song and who not like the song, still hear the song.
Received and send it back to sender.
Big up Vybz Kartel. Next
Because,
topic.
let me make sure me clarify this. Me like Vybz Kartel and me like his music, but me personally, me just not like his song. Me not feel like it's sound good. God no, me not like it.
Oh, you not listen
Me
something?
know say
Oh, you not listen something all the way out, but you got judge.
because me already tell from ear the little part of me ear, me already know say it's gonna be trash. I already knew it was. But at the end of the day, me know say this is not the best to come. So alright, this one was trash. Me know say better go come. Me know better
But
go
for
come.
13 years, the man in a jail, him a drop hit songs.
Yeah, man, and this,
So it's not like a 13 year you don't hear nothing, and then you hear something.
yeah, but
On top of that, me have to give him credit for being sick,
and still making
and
a
still
song.
I try to do something
Mhm.
for feeding fan base.
Me big you up for that.
That's a solid move.
Okay,
Because you never have to drop nothing, none at all.
you never have a job.
And him don't need to.
No.
So the fact that him don't need to and he never have to and him sick, but him still a make a statement for feeding fans, making fans them feel good that him drop something. Big up Vybz Kartel.
Big up yourself, sir.
Big up Vybz Kartel.
Yeah,
music.
man.
Gaza Nation. Fully Gaza, same way. That is it.
All right.
What's next?
Well, speaking of everybody not dropping any song and people we not paying nobody else no mind for them song because Kartel is out. When Kartel and him woman go live on TikTok, you know, no think say you go live and get views, you know. Don't think about that. Don't think so. You're not getting no gift, you're not getting nothing.
Say God no.
I swear to God. Whenever Vybz Kartel goes live on TikTok, anybody else want to go live on TikTok, any big TikToker, any influencer, Jamaica side, we're not going to pay you no mind. We'll go on Vybz Kartel thing. Your numbers are going down, and I've seen it. Because once it pop up on my phone, it's a Vybz Kartel live, you know. Whoever live me and watch, you know, me come off, you know.
Is it that Vybz Kartel lifestyle is just interesting at this time?
It's interesting. I want to see what's
I
going
kind
on.
of want to see how everything are going.
Exactly.
And where my say.
Exactly. So we now watch a World Dog, we now watch a Swissly.
So
Quite
everybody,
fair, we not soon when
what are you the name man? The TikToker the man.
who?
The youth the man you all sing over Starcash to them song and
Jaden?
the youth there. It come like him and say, yo, Kartel, please. Come off a TikTok. Like him and say, come off a TikTok. Me nah get no money from you there on TikTok, bro.
Exactly.
Like people are make money, but it not like before.
Yeah,
So it's like, yeah, make a thing, but in a effective like one time.
exactly.
He man really slow down the income for all.
Everybody. Views, income, everything. Everything is getting slowed down once he's on live.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Can't tell from experience, because I come off on the live, me not tell no lie. I come off and go on film live. I want to see what go on. All if I want to watch him a show, I want to see you watch. I want to see everything when I go on.
But to be honest, Vybz Kartel is an interesting person.
He is interested.
And just him lifestyle and way him gonna say and way him office, people want to see it.
Yeah, we want to know the next catchphrase. You know?
Facts.
That's it.
And it goes to show him impact again. That's why I say him didn't need to drop a song. So, bro, maybe you just need to start a reality show. We always have said this. You didn't do it, the reality show already. You can start a reality show and just make money off of that.
Mm-hmm.
And people that watch that shit. Literally.
Vybz host or Kartel host or
something. Yes, I
would watch it.
That would be interesting. But I never know say him slow down TikTok.
Definitely.
I know say him slow down YouTube when it comes to people that drop hits. But TikTok?
Mm-hmm.
I thought TikTok was like influencer. I mean, Kartel is an artist. Well, I mean, that still has influence. But I know say him could have tapped in a TikTok and slow it down.
Yeah, man. We're not watching a live. We're watching film live.
My God. Big up Vybz Kartel again. Gaza Nation fully support the Vybz Kartel community and the whole movement. So, you know what I mean? People just, you know what I mean? If I were you, if you can't beat them, join them.
Exactly. Just join the live.
And just say, yo, me say one youth, one Rasta youth. Their name Rasta King.
Okay.
I be this man at this cartel.
Really?
But him smart. Me tell you why. Him are the only artist. Not artist, but the only influencer where I make song on this cartel and this, but guess what I do? I try to build the vibes the over film side because remember, you know, nobody now watch, nobody has TikTok. So when him do the opposite of what everybody do, everybody ever watch what him do. You don't know him?
Me don't know him, but I can say this to you, sir. Yes, it's certain things. Listen, yes, it's certain people and certain things. You need to be careful when you're doing it. No, but I would bugger dissing cartel thing because you never know what might reach you. That's all me ever say. Me understand you try to get the views and the likes, but be careful. Be careful.
Man, you have to show him. You don't know that either?
I do not know that, man.
Alright, watch out you now. Let me see.
Never seen that man before.
Listen to this.
Vybz Kartel manager reach out to me. I know offer me $1.5 million to perform on Vybz Kartel. Watch the style. So pussy and freak out dog. Chance time look man and beat out dog. From a second so you dead when you peep out dog. Get bust and blood start leak out dog.
Oh boy.
Alright. Take a good look at it on TikTok.
Me don't know this man. I'm definitely not follow him.
You know, me not even have to go far for sure you're saying this cartel. Everything when man I put on TikTok is against cartel. But I just ride off of the wave. You might ride the wave.
Yeah, man, ride it.
Right now, Vybz Kartel name are the most expensive name in a cartel. Vybz Kartel name is the most expensive name in dancehall. Calling Vybz Kartel name will give you attention.
I want to say this. Not every attention is good attention. That's all me have to say with that. Me? You think say me could I go up on my platform and this cartel? I would never do that.
It don't make sense though.
I would never do it. One, it don't make no sense. Me not see the reason for it. And two, when you see him forget to Vybz Kartel a bad man. A bad man. A bad man.
Low key.
Allegedly. Man a bad man. Alright. I'll know them to find. Alright. Go on.
Leave that fair. Alone. Next topic.
Alright. Friendships on TikTok. Is TikTok is it affecting friendships?
I think that TikTok. Alright. You know the Jamaican diaspora theory. This minute, if somebody a win, it can cause controversy. Like, let's just be honest. What a girl that did name? Britney.
Me know she talking.
No, she was popular.
She was
getting a lot of attention.
Yeah.
That gone.
Yeah, I fear fall that door.
She this World Dog.
She
friend World Dog. She this Swissley. She friend Swissley. She this that person. She friend that person. Everybody kick off one by one. The point is, everybody is loyal to the gifts and roses and the lion. but nobody is loyal to the people and they run them will make them content reach other people and make them content become more familiar with for them fan base and working as a unit. No, everybody I work off. Me not have it on my life. Me get my road same way. Me get my lion same way. So yeah, it mess up friendship because people are go for the money. People not go for just being themselves. First, it start off with you being yourself. It start off with people sorry for you, or it start off with you being just funny or having a fan base like World Dog, and then it just go into a thing like me and you kick off. So it's like the J Frey and Walk and Talk thing. We work together. Something happen, we start the one thing. So it's like it not gonna really work long. It not gonna last long. So I mean, yeah, it break a lot of friendship.
Yes, it certainly does.
And I feel like people for understand so TikTok is just a platform for people to just get a start. The right now it's just like get a start and so you can do the money there.
Exactly.
That's it. So when you're at, make sure you do the right thing. That is it.
That is it.
What's next?
Likkle Vybz giving back to his community.
I think that's very influential, very motivating, very inspiring. Big up Vybz Kartel youth. And one I think when I like with Vybz Kartel, him kinda make him son them a play a liquor part in everything.
Yes.
Them a do music, him just found out of a concert, him son a give back, him son in a new recent video. It's like, come on man, it's like him really create a generation where in a entertainment, and not just in a entertainment, but have a little impact in every little thing.
Yes.
So big up the whole Palmer family.
Yes.
Isn't it? The Blow podcast is so like it's a cartel podcast
It's a cartel
right
podcast.
now. No, big up yourself, Vybz Kartel. Code. What's next?
Next is the no informing culture destroying Jamaica.
All right. So from we are youth, we always hear say, "Oh, see, I'm blind here and deaf." I believe say if you're not a part of a certain type of crowd or community, you're not gonna see. If you don't uphold with certain things, you're not gonna see.
Exactly.
So if you see, you play a part. Either you're fast or you're apartheid. And if you're fast or apartheid, anything liable for happen.
Exactly.
Zane, because when police put you in a room and put you under pressure and make you know say X, Y, Z, and if you don't do X, Y, Z, Z, Y, X, you're in a position where where they're going like you're a tough man and bad man, become an informer.
Me not informer?
You see me? So what's your style, you know? It mash up the culture because enough man inform when it not serve them. For example, if a man do so, the next man doing back something, if the other man we are doing back something become more powerful in turning farmer. Can can't kill, he can't manage the pressure. Then he just go report him. Them type of informer there, it be not rate. Don't pick up what you can't manage.
Exactly.
Because if you pick up what you can't manage, that obviously I say, yo, you're not cut out for this. You see me? You see, when there's a force, it want to equally do anything. It will come to a point where it want to just say, yo, bro, you do your thing and me do my thing. You could just calm me down now. That is it.
That is it. Me not inform by nothing. You know, anything me say at Jamaica, me see it, but me just not see it.
Code.
Me not inform.
Feel like me can't be an informer in my life too because me feel like me not go see it because me not associate with it.
Exactly. So all if me see it by accident.
All if me do a lie detector test, the lie detector test I gonna lie to you. All when the test me see it, me can't say me see it because me never did it.
Deny. Because guess what? At the end of the day, I'm afraid of gunman more than me afraid of police.
That is it.
So, yeah. If they don't catch me, they have to catch my family. Me good. Me never seen nothing.
The rest is history.
Me?
Yeah, man. What's next?
What's your favorite dancehall album or mixtape so far?
Favorite dancehall album or mixtape? 2 days ago, I was listening to Generation of Kings, which is Massacre album. And I feel like it's still my favorite dancehall album. Even if them have something recent, it not up on my playlist.
Okay.
So I just that level solid tune there with the G-Jop, like Suicide Note, songs like that. It's like, why not? I have to listen to Massacre, Generation of Kings every now and then. It's can't say on a lie, man. Al 438 is very good too. If we talk about recent time, like peeing with Popcaans, Toxic World, Love Story, Moments, Highlights, Statue, King, Contract Killer, Art, Cry, They Don't Know, Story, Mirror. 438 is also one of my favorite albums. So right now, Massacre do it for me.
Okay.
Massacre have one of the best album out right now. What about you?
I don't have one.
Alright, so
I feel like Massacre have the best album out so far, but I don't have a favorite album or mixtape. I just like songs.
That is it. But
That's it.
when we talk about album, people, if you never listen to 438 or Generation of Kings, go listen to that.
Definitely.
Solid album.
And speaking of Massacre, he performed at Usher's concert in Canada. Did you see
Yeah,
that?
I saw that. And one of the biggest thing about that is just seeing the Jamaican artists them stepping up on an international platform and the international artists them giving recognition is good, because all is of acknowledge when an artist break free from just the Jamaican diaspora and go into a more international foreign crowd and perform, introducing their style, their flavor, their lyrics, their content. And then them people has become a fan, start to stream their music. Then them streaming become more. And if the fans them like it, then them album sales go up. So I feel like exposure for any artist when it comes to that is not just, oh, you perform an Usher show. It's a big opportunity. It's a big move. And you have to use that moment to capture them people in a year category and become a part of your fan base. If Massacre never did that do the work, him could even dip on the stage. Salute to Massacre. Data code.
Love that.
Make sense?
It makes sense.
Seeing that me I talk about. So keep up the good work, Massacre.
Yes.
Over there, watch your work. Zane, what next?
Oh boy. This one is good.
What go on?
So apparently, allegedly, Popcaan rushed Pretty Dan and our crew in St. Thomas.
I saw that live.
Jesus Christ.
First of all, may I make you lead that one? What you think happened?
I feel like you rush her for you.
No. She said it happened.
Yeah.
She said
Definitely
it happened, and she said when it happened, it was a quiet, decent bad up. You see me? So sometimes when you're up on the internet and you talk shit, you have to remember time and place.
Yes.
You're in a wrong place at the wrong time, and anything can happen. So you have to be careful of that.
Yeah, me not nothing to say about that. Jesus Christ.
What going?
No, but me not understand. Pretty Dan, she's so bad on the internet. You should have body him up back.
No,
body
man.
him up back,
When
man.
Popcaan step with him G there, that not go right.
Popcaan would even see me. Once me see all in shoes step out of the car, me gone. Me gone.
And then Pretty Dan I say, yo, he reach her neighbor. Hey, she funny, yo. She funny, yo. But every artist have to know this. And every influencer should know this. Everybody can reach you at some point because you are entertainers.
Yes.
You're going to be booked for a show somewhere. You never know who is going to be there. So be careful.
Exactly.
What me never think Popcaan are going to do nothing still, because the last thing Popcaan need is the law enforcement them I look for you for those foolishness.
Exactly.
But he probably does give a little bad up and has to stop call up him name.
Yeah, please stop.
You see me? And Andre should call him too, and not even Popcaan.
Huh?
Big up Pretty Dan same way. I mean, don't even know why me a big her up, but they don't know it already.
She said
Slick White
Andre.
Light friend, and we interview Slick White Light already, so big up Pretty Dan.
She said Andre. I don't know it's a Popcaan really, man.
Andre.
For some reason, me don't know
Andre
why.
Sutherland, man. Makes sense now, though, right?
Makes sense.
That's our code.
Okay.
Pretty Dan.
Pretty Dan in a easy at hush. That's how it goes sometime.
Good.
Yeah, you're lucky. That's all me ever say.
What's next?
Cristiano Ronaldo and his 1 billion followers. Now,
Yo!
where did 1 billion followers come from?
On all social media
Oh,
platforms. Yeah, so across all social media platforms, he has 1 billion followers. And I want to note this. He has more followers than Kim Kardashian on Instagram. Probably Cristiano Ronaldo is the most popular and has the most followers as an individual in the world.
Me just want to tell Ronaldo, say, I know so we do with followers. But if I saw you do it, then I saw you do it. Because me there search, me search high and low for the 1 billion.
No, I'm there.
And when me realize that the man add everything together, I say, oh, okay, we not count followers like that, but okay. First of all, no, it can't have 1 billion followers. No, that don't make sense.
All right, read this.
No.
Well, I know. Cristiano Ronaldo is the most followed individual super sports person and European on Instagram, which is 633 million followers. Now, in adding up that with Facebook, him reach 1 billion.
But
what I'm trying to
tell you what now make no sense. The same people who follow him on Instagram are the same people who follow him on Facebook. So you mean to tell me, say, if me follow you, you can't count me twice, you know? You cannot count me twice. You cannot count me. If you have Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and me follow up on all 4 platforms, you cannot count me 4 times.
All right.
So does he really have 1 billion followers?
All right, I understand what you say, and it makes sense. But maybe I ask you this.
Mm-hmm.
Normally, when people are following up on one thing, then they follow up on everything.
Yes, they do.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Because sometimes them follow the one with more
and
popular.
the way I know people love footballer, for example, Nicholas World Boss, I know him follow Ronaldo on all 4 platforms. I know that for a fact.
But even if him now have 1 billion followers, even if he has say he might count them twice or whatever the situation is.
Him count me 4 times.
Check this out though. Him still superior because him are the most followed individual the entire world.
But he doesn't have 1 billion.
If a man beat Kim Kardashian them and Cardi B them and Nicki Minaj is really, really popular, you know?
Yes, it is. But what I'm saying is...
Because, none of them girls sell makeup and all them things there and have whole heap of followers, you know?
You see, as a Jamaican man, you not get the point, you know?
No, I understand what you're saying.
understand that the part there. You get whole heap of followers, but you do not have 1 billion. That's my point right there. You can't count me 4 times. You can't count me 4 times training. Me follow you on all platform. You count me 4 times? I mean, I feel like in got you. Nah,
Yo, him man have 635.4 million followers. Guess how much Instagram have?
How much?
675.2. Him man they far from. Him man almost have more followers than Instagram.
Jesus.
Instagram they are number 1. You know?
Who follows Instagram?
You know Instagram have their own profile.
I didn't even know they had their own profile.
So look, Selena Gomez they are 4th. You see me? But I don't even know if them things are important. Cristiano Ronaldo, Andrea Grande.
I need to go up on my Instagram and see if me I follow Instagram.
A man have the most followers in the world, man. You know when me hear about this the first time, I say if a man can have the more followers than Cardi B and especially Kim Kardashian.
Yeah, because we not really focus on them people. I prefer follow him than follow them. Because I don't follow them not at all.
Big up Cristiano Ronaldo for having the most followers in the world.
Big up yourself, sir.
That's a code.
As a footballer, big up
yourself.
yourself.
Yeah, do your thing, bro. Code. What's next?
Chris Gayle talks about romeich. What is going on there? Because I didn't even know
I saw this video where Chris Gayle was actually saying, yo, honestly, romeich, him feel like romeich carry some form of grudge. Him not have a problem with Ding Dong, have a problem with romeich.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like Chris Gayle talk about the time when him used to support romeich, wear romeich clothes, you know what I mean, supporting business. I feel like everybody knows, say, at some point, it's not going to always be flowers when people talk about you.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? People have them good ways and them bad ways. So if Chris Gayle and romeich are friends, if Chris Gayle can come talk about this, he must have credible reason.
He has to. Because I never hear Chris Gayle now one mix up.
Everything we must say about romeich is true. Romeich have to just look at himself and try to take a new part, bro. None of them are perfect. And you can't make money get to you. And you can't make fame get to you. Do the right thing. That is it.
That is it. Hopefully they fix that little whatever it is.
I never see Chris Gayle in the media yet.
Me never see him in the media, so that's why me kinda believe it, but then so I shouldn't see a manager. So so we have to what right is right and wrong is wrong.
That is it.
I mean, if romeich tell sponsor to drop out a Chris Gayle thing, then it's wrong. It definitely is wrong.
Yeah, it don't make no sense. That sounds like bad mind.
Yeah.
You see me?
Y'all fix that. Because we
right.
like both of y'all. Last topic for the day. Women proposing to men.
I don't think women should be proposing to men. I think I'm a man of tradition. I believe in a tradition. Tradition is tradition. Now, there was a time where I used to think it would be cool. No, I say cool meaning like, I guess me that look on it from the point where that's something we don't really see every day. But from a real life situation, women proposing to men is not necessary. I don't think women should go down on no one knee and propose to no man. Man fi propose to woman.
Exactly.
Tradition is key. You can't win tradition. Tradition will always be tradition.
In favor idiot.
So, what I would say is, women should support men like them go up on their knee.
Y'all be wanting
meaning
people right so bad.
Be thankful that you have a man in your life. Treat him like a man and don't treat your boss better when you treat your man.
Exactly. What?
But you don't need to go up on your knee. A man job that. But you have to remember, a man give out relationship. Woman have access to sex. So when a man go up on him knee, a woman for understand that is an honorable thing him a do. And not treat the man like shit. I mean, me not really want to talk about Landa Sparks. I don't know much about Erica. But
who reach us so?
Listen.
Who reach us so?
Listen.
Yo.
Listen to what me I say. Listen to what me I say. Listen to what me I say. I don't know much about Landa Sparks. I don't know much about Erica. But guess what? If, for example, Landa did propose to Erica, right? And by the way, people, this is just a situation not hard for it. It depends on social media. It's not.
Me just want to say I'm not a part of this.
It's not something that's off social media. That's
Okay.
1. 2, it's exposed. 3, everybody knows about it. 4, I'm not talking about something that nobody know about and may expose people business.
All right.
It's actually public information. Erica put it out public, Landa put it out public and defend himself.
Alright.
Erica put it out public and defend herself. Whatever they're doing, what I try to say is this. People who don't know, Erica put out a screenshot of Lando Sparks, Cash App, and I say him for pay this and pay that. For him son, Landa Spark clapped back by going on live talking about the whole situation. But the reason why I bring them up as an example is, you have to remember this, because everybody have them issue, even me. So, for example, him did go up on him knee and propose to she. Even if that happen, it not for reach social media. The reason why I say that is because when a man go up on him knee and propose, him really try to do the right thing. And when you accept the ring, you have to hold up your end of the bargain. Zane, so when things go left, you have to support that man like how you would support your boss. For example, if your boss tells you to go register 9, or if you never feel like go register 9, you go register 9. And you say if you don't want to work at that job there, you go call HR and you go leave peacefully. What I'm trying to say is Erica no need to deal with Landa Sparks. Landa Sparks no need to deal with Erica. But if you don't like the man no more, leave peacefully.
I just want to say
I'm just saying though. Like I
just
saw
wanna
it the other day and I was
me
like,
see, but me just want to say, yo, me not no comment on this because me just not no comment. But me just not feel like woman will propose to man.
alright, to me,
No favor idiot. You know, like, yeah, man.
to me, me only talk about it because it just happened like 2 days ago. I saw it on social media. And I was like, yo, seriously? And I'm sure it's like if my life was on social media, we can't tell nobody to talk about it.
Yeah, they might talk about it.
They might say, yo, you can't believe trending this, trending that. And I'm not saying I'm perfect. And I'm not saying nothing that happened in relationship has never happened to me. It happened to me before.